I'm going to be reviewing two Avon eye creams. Both eye creams, but very different in their use. The first one I'm going to be reviewing is the Anew Perfect Skin Wide Awake Eye Cream. So basically my experience with this cream is that it gets rid of puffiness around the eyes, and if you've really been struggling with sleep, you can really get away with this. Nobody will notice that you've had a night out or whatever. So I would definitely recommend this. Plus it lasts very, very long because you only need to use a little bit of it and circle it under your bottom eye and around your top eye. Retail, as usual, Avon products, very, very affordable, value for money, high quality. So as always, I would recommend this. In addition to that, I actually use these in conjunction. So the Wide Awake cream as well as the Anew Clinical Lift and Firm cream. Now, as I've mentioned, they're both eye creams, but they're very different. With this one, with the Lift cream, you have two sides to it. You've got the creamy side and you have the jelly side. The jelly side is applied at the top, on your top eye, while the creamy side, the moisture side, is applied around the bottom of the eye. Highly recommend this one. It doesn't just give you a more what can I say? It doesn't just moisture your eyes, but it also actually lifts your eyes. Just from all the stresses, from all the pressure, you know, that your eyes go through during the day. This is such a good medicine. It's like a little medicine for like the skin around your eye, and I'm really, really enjoying using it. Like I said, I actually use these together, but you need not to. I'm just too much of a perfectionist. Also wearing Avon lip color, in case you want to know. MAC Liquid Lip Lacquer Matte. Yeah, that was just an extra. I realize now that I'm actually wearing an Avon lip color. You know what I mean? So cool, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, happy shopping.